Okay, great. Good evening, guys. It's been quite some time. Haven't come live here. I was trying this live on LinkedIn today, but there was some problem on LinkedIn that live streaming was not happening, or maybe video was not buffering on LinkedIn. LinkedIn has its own issues. So yeah, coming live here. Let me know if you guys can hear me and see me here. Hope this is better. Thank you, Sarang. Thank you for joining and confirming here. Yeah, so today I have some great updates on TestCase Studio, which will really help you guys a lot. Yesterday we did a live session on Naveen's channel, Naveen Automation Lab. So we have seen lots of great feedback, and it was really amazing, and people loved it. So I thought to come live here and let you guys know, those who have missed that session, and a few more updates on after yesterday's session. So like today, one new release has went live on TestCase Studio 1.2.3, which has really great updates. So I'm sure you guys will love that. I will wait for a couple of minutes so that people, all those who have joined over LinkedIn, they will join here. And by the way, like the people, those who are on the call, have you guys tried TestCase Studio? I guess there must be some delay between what I'm speaking, what you guys hearing, because there's a StreamYard. And also some great updates with you. Let me share with you guys that we have crossed 90K on active users just on Chrome. If we include all the browsers, we are already 100K plus now, active weekly users. And we are also trending on Chrome Store now. We got 269th place out of more than 130K Chrome extensions. So, which is really good. So for that, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the support. Okay, so yeah, almost like pretty much people will keep joining. So the updates are here. Like we used to uh, like TestCase Studio. TestCase Studio is a recorder plugin which used to help us to write and auto-generate the manual test cases for different purposes, like writing the manual test case, generating the English test cases, steps to reproduce the bug, for the documentation purpose, like what kind of testing you have done, what functionality testing you have done. So that steps you used to get. And then lots of new feature has been added, like automatically getting the screenshots, XPath selectors, then getting the automation code as well. So great features are there in Test Case Studio, which can save tremendous amount of time, and it can improve your productivity at least 40 to 50%. So yeah, so let me just go step by step and show you guys the demo here today. Please let me know if you can see my screen. Can someone confirm if you can see my screen? Great. So I guess yes, you guys are able to see my screen. So suppose here we want to test the Google search functionality. Okay, now we want to test this, that Google search functionality is working fine or not, and then we'll be doing a lot of couple of actions that from the Google search functionality. If we search something, that we land on selector sub website or somewhere, whether we are able to reach there, and if we found any bug, then we will be reproducing the bug, or we will be writing those steps to reproduce the bug so that we can let so that we can let the developer know that these are the steps to reproduce this bug. Okay, so how do we do that? So before like starting the testing, what you have to do, just click on this logo here and let the test case studio do everything for you, whatever you need. And you need not to do anything extra. You just have to click on this logo. And now let's start the testing here. Suppose we are searching for here selector service search. Then we click on this first link. Then suppose we right click on test case studio. Then suppose we click on test case studio. Then we click on bootcamp. Guys, if you want to learn in detail all the features of selector sub and test case studio, you must join this upcoming bootcamp, which is happening day after tomorrow. So you can register for this here. Single click registration, you can check it out. Then suppose if we click on courses, then we click on certification, then we click on practice page. And suppose let me enter email ID here. Then something. And suppose here we try to enter first name. But you see that when I'm clicking here, it is not anything is not happening. The cursor is not blinking and we are not able to type value here, which means that this field is disabled and there's a bug in this field. Now, if we have to report this bug to our developer, or if we have to reproduce the bug, how we will get those steps which we have followed to reach till here? Like I'm sure like anyone on the call, do you guys remember that what were those steps which we followed to reach here in this page? It's almost like impossible to recall all those steps what we have followed to reach here. So if you now open test case studio again, because we have started that in the beginning, and now let me just make it large. You see that all the steps has been recorded here. Like here you can see that open website, then we enter search whatever we did here, then like we press enter, then we click on this, then we right click on test case studio, then we click on test case studio, click on bootcamp. So all the steps are automatically we got it here. Then we got the XPath, CSS selector, data, everything we are getting here. Now, if we have to reproduce this issue, we can just simply copy and paste these steps to our, like let's say, developer that these are the steps. Please fix this issue by like following these steps. So he would be able to do it really quick. Suppose you want to save this as a document for future purpose, then you can simply download this test case and let your like in future if any production bug comes or anything happen, at least you have the proof that yes you have done this testing. You will not be blaming developer, or developer will not be blaming you that you haven't done this testing. And in fact, like if you are a developer, you can also use this tool to like test your like basic functionality, and before handling it to the tester, you can also like just record these steps and let tell the developer that these are the steps to test this feature. You can follow them, because generally like developer also explain the basic feature, the basic functionality to the tester, that this is what you have to test, this is how you have to test. And then we use our like skills, testing skills, to break that and to like test all the corner scenarios and all. So this is helpful, but here there was like one limitation which where we were like wasting a lot more time. Suppose we got a bug at this place. Now what we generally do, we will take this screenshot, because when you will be filing any bug in Bagasura or Jira or any test management tool, GitHub, wherever, whatever you are using. So what you will be doing, like you will be taking this screenshot, you will highlight the value here, like you will highlight this field here like this, and then you will save this, and this screenshot you will share it with your developer, isn't it? I'm sure like you guys will agree with this, that we all do in this way. We take the screenshots, we highlight the field, and then we share. So this takes a lot of time. What if like I say that you can get this along with the test case, along with this each step you will get the screenshot here, and you will not have to take the screenshot, you will not have to highlight the field and you will not have to do anything. Without even a single effort from your end, you will get everything. Let's see how. So now you like whatever I'm going to show you guys now, that is the latest version of TestCase Studio. So that you can install, and it's again a browser plugin. So simply you just go to selectorsup.com. I will show you how. Okay, so now let's see the same function, the same testing. We will do it again, the same scenario. So what you have to do, you just have to start TestCase Studio. That was the previous version which I was showing guys. Now this is the latest version 1.2.3. So we have started the TestCase Studio. Now we will do the testing here. Same functionality, same thing we will do. Hit enter. Suppose we scroll down, open this. Then we, let's say, right click on TestCase Studio. Then we click on TestCase Studio. Then we clicked on Bootcamp last time. Then we clicked on courses. If you guys want to learn in detail about XPath, CSS selectors, Shadow DOM, and you want to learn from me all those things, you can take this course, Udemy course. This will really help you guys a lot. Then suppose we click on certification. Then we click on practice page. We enter the value here. And then we click here. Then we click here. So here was the issue, right? These fields are not editable. Now we want to file a bug, or we want to report this as a bug to the developer. So how can we do that? How can we, like, without putting our effort, extra effort, how can we get a screenshot, test case, test steps, XPath, selectors, everything for all these things? Let's open this test case studio again back. And now you see that here you have each and everything. For with each step you have the screenshot. You see that open website, you have the screenshot. For all the steps here you have the screenshot. And for whichever step you wanted to report, you see that for the first name you want to do that, you see that this is the screenshot. Here is the highlighted field. You just take this screenshot and share it with your developer. And the step is also right there, like the name of this name of the screenshot will be same as the step. So you will not have to even rename the screenshot, because remember, like, generally when you take the screenshot will always be saved something like this, the random name. You will have to rename it, or you will have to tell the developer that this screenshot is for that step. But here you will not have to do that. You see that all the steps, all the screenshot will be having this name. Proper naming will be there. So this is really great. It will have save a lot of time. You can download this as a test case. So a screenshot folder and the test case will be downloaded as a separate. So here you will be having each and every step along with the screenshot. So you see that basically what it is. This you can say that it is a kind of like a screenshot test case you are getting automatically. So you see this open website. This is the screenshot. Enter selector sub into search field. This is the screenshot. Then we press enter. Then we scroll. Then we click on that link. So all those fields in each and everywhere, you see that this is right click, where we right click, here we right click, then where we click there, here we click, then we clicked on bootcamp. So all those things are you're getting in a screenshot format. And you're also getting the Excel sheet as well, where your test case will be. And then there are like a lot many features that if you don't want to take the screenshot, you can turn off this one. Now if you will be recording the steps, it will like suppose if I click here now whatever step it will record, it will not take the screenshot. You see that? Now if you want to take the screenshot again, you click on this, and now suppose you click on, let's say, change here donate, and you will see back here it has taken the screenshot. So wherever you want to take the screenshot, it will take the screenshot. Whenever you want, you can turn it off. You can manage column. Lots of really amazing features are there. You just have to explore and see what all features are there. You can join the bootcamp where I will be teaching all these features in detail. And then you can add step, delete step. Lot many features are there. And today I will tell you what new thing has come here in. Like in the previous version, the screenshot size was really big. Because of that, you will not able to take more than 30. Like when you try to take more than 30 screenshot, that's where it was causing performance issue. Now the screenshot size has been compressed almost 75%. So this will not cause any performance issue now. And this is very small in the size. Yes, there will be like a pixel. You will find that this is a little bit blur screenshot, but that's good. Like you are able to figure it out, like what it is. So this will help you to like uh, improve the performance. And now you will not get the alert after 30 steps. Like earlier you were getting the alert for the that 30 steps has been recorded, too many screenshots are there. So now you will get that after 50 steps, because generally like you don't record too many steps. So I have increased that limit to 50 steps. You can also see those change log, that what new things has came in the latest release. So you can always read here in the change log of TestCase Studio or whatever selectors of you are using. So you see that now it will show the alert after 50 steps, 75% it has been reduced. Fix for the alert message. Earlier it was showing more than once, now it will show only once. And fix for the CSS selector command. Like now if you will turn on this command here, so it will apply on these all these like XPath commands here and CSS selector. So that will be applied as a CSS selector and driver.find element, whatever command will be. So you see that driver.find element by.xpath, driver find element by.css selector. You can also update this command, and a lot more features are there. So this is Test Case Studio, which will help you guys a lot. I would request all of you that please share it with your friends, community, let everyone know. Feel free to write a blog on this, whatever. If you want to create tutorial, feel free to create tutorial on it. Let everyone know about this great innovation. Many people are yet not aware about it. So yeah, this is Test Case Studio. And how you can install it and download it, let me show you. I will take all the questions. I'm not looking at the chat right now. So here, Test Case Studio, just go to selectorsub.com. There will be on the left side, top left, Test Case Studio tab. Click on that. And here is the download link for whichever browser you want to install. Let's say Chrome. Click on that. And here you can, like, right now I have already added. So if I remove it, let me remove it. So you will see this add to Chrome column, add to Chrome button, sorry. Then just add extension. And after adding it in your browser, you will see that here. Let me open google.com. By default, test case studio logo is not here. You will have to pin it to toolbar, and now it is here. And if you want to use it, you just have to click on this and it will open, and like you will be able to use it. For the very first time, it will ask for the registration. So you can just enter the email ID, any password, what you prefer, and your company name, and you would be able to continue and use it. So this is the test case studio. And I would request that please watch the detailed tutorial for all rest of the features. There are so many features which will help you guys a lot. And to get all more updates, all the features in detail, do register for the bootcamp here on Selectors Hub website. So you will learn more about more such features of Test Case Studio, Selectors Hub, which can save a lot more time for you guys. Now I will take your questions. I would buy you coffee. Thank you, Johnny. Sure, you can just go to selectorsub.com and there you can find the donate button. More than coffee, I would request all of you guys that please share Test Case Studio, Selectorsub with the community and let everyone know about this innovation, because many people are not yet aware about it. So that's my request to all of you that please share it with the community, let the people know about it, because many times it happened like we used to keep following the old processes, old things, and hardly people used to try the new innovation, the new things, because sometimes people are scared to try new things, new innovative solutions. So let everyone know that these are the amazing solutions which can save their time, which can save their effort, and which people can utilize to learn something new. So that will be more help for me as well as for the community. Johnny, can you include a screenshot for each steps in the bug? So, Johnny, I guess you must have got it. That screenshot is just it has been added now. Wow, I own you a coffee. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Feel free to ask if you have any question, any suggestion. I'm happy to answer you guys. And TestCase Studio is one of the, I guess, only extension which I got to know so far that which is the 100% 5-star rated plugin out there in Chrome Store. So yes, whoever is using this from the day one, they are just loving it because it is saving so much time for them. It is absolutely safe and secure. If you feel that in any of the banking domain company or anywhere it is blocked or something like that, you can easily get it unblocked. Check out on Selectors of website and this Selectors of YouTube channel for the how you can get it unblocked or save something like that. You will get it, and there are lots of great tutorial I have already added, so you can check out that. And more, I used to keep adding more frequent videos, conceptual videos on DOM, XPath, Selectors. So you can subscribe to the channel to get all such upcoming innovative updates. This is just the beginning. Lot many more creative features and innovative features are in the pipeline, which you will be getting very soon in the like upcoming weeks. So feel free to subscribe to the channel to get all such updates, innovative updates, and keep looking at the these platforms so you will get all those updates. Let me share the other handles of Selectors up, so which will you guys can follow and join me there, so it will help you to get all the updates. And if you face any challenges like any help required, any feature update, or if you feel any bug is there, something you feel that is required for your application, your company, feel free to connect with me on Selectors Hub, Slack channel, Slack channel, or Telegram, or anywhere. Madhuri, can you show a demo? I just showed the demo, so I would request you please after this session, you can just scroll the bar backside and you will be able to see the demo. So it's already there. Is it only for new web application to be developed? No, no, it's not for the newly developed. It's for all the web application which you test like the functionality. So if you are testing any application on the web, so this is for that. It's not like just for new or the old application. So any application which you are testing on browser, for that you can use TestCase Studio. You just have to click on this. Let me show you quickly. So I hope Madhuri, you can see that I'm showing the demo. So once you added the TestCase Studio in your browser, you just click on that TestCase Studio logo here. It will be started here. And now you just like whatever, let's say I want to right click here, then I click on courses here, then I click on certification, then I click on practice page here. Then suppose I search here for safe, hit enter. So you see that all the steps has been recorded here and the screenshots are also here. So everything is there in your test case studio window. You can download this test case. You see XPath, CSS selector is there for every step. Data is there. You can add and delete the steps what you want. Like suppose you want to add any extra step here, you can add that. If you want to delete any step which you feel that it has been recorded by mistake, you can delete that step here. So all those things will be recorded here. You can download this test case. You can change the name of the test case before downloading it. You can set that name. If you want to like remove any of these column here, you can remove that column from here. Suppose you don't need CSS selector, you can uncheck this. Now it will not show. You want to add assert or like expected result, you can add that here. Like I want to assert some button here, then you can add those assert statement as well. and then you can download. If you want to add some wait time, you can add wait for 5 seconds. Any those kind of steps you want to add, that you can add it here. So this will help you a lot. You can pause the recording. Let's say you want to don't want to continue recording, you want to at certain point you want to stop this, you can pause this, you can again resume it. You can add the attribute filters, like what XPath you want to generate with text, you want to generate with ID and all that, you can do it here. You can generate the command, like you want to get the complete command, you can get the command. Lot many features are there. Yeah, so I hope you guys have seen the demo again, and this might have helped you guys. Please let me know if you have any other question. Arpita Arora, amazing tool, definitely will help to reduce much effort. Thank for sharing. Thank you, Arpita. Thank you for joining. My only request to all of you that please share TestCase Studio and Selector Sub in your connection and let others know. And if you guys want to give the demo in your company, you want me to give the demo for your team or your company, feel free to connect with me. And if you guys want to give the demo to your team or your company, you can give it. And if you need any PPT or any help you need, feel free to connect with me. And request all of you that please add the review for TestCase Studio. And if you are using Selector Sub, then please add the review for Selector Sub as well. Because if I don't request people, that then people many times people forget to add the review. Please add that. It motivates me a lot, and it helps us to reach more and more people. And that is like it's your help and your support that we are trending at position 269, even though there are more than 130,000 Chrome extension. So that's a great achievement. Any more questions, guys? And if you are new to like Selector Sub and TestCase Studio, do not forget to uh, register for this upcoming bootcamp, which is day after tomorrow. That will really help you guys a lot. Lots of time saving tips and tricks and great features. I will be explaining all in detail. So that will really help. Okay, so looks like no more question. I will wait for another 1 minute and then we can end this session for today. Soon I will come back again with lot more updates, with lot more features. And only request keep supporting, keep sharing, so that it reaches to more and more people. Can it pick up image name? Yes. So like every screenshot, like let me show you. If you see here, I hope my screen is visible. If you see here, all the screenshot which has been downloaded, they will be having this name. Is it visible? You see all the image name here, all the screenshots are having the name of the step, the same step what was there. Like this is for this wherever we are clicking and all. So every image will be having the screenshot, every screenshot will be having the name in the downloaded folder. Was that your question, Zim? Is there any specific size to store all screenshot? Specific size? No, it will be like a standard size. So let me like if you have any specific requirement, so please do let me know. Like an image show up after click. Yes, Jim, that is there. Let me show you. Yeah, so if you want to like click on this image, you just click on that image here, and then you can just click left and right, you will be able to see all those screenshot, and the name will be there with the image. So like this screenshot is for open website, the next screenshot is for right click on test case studio. So you see that. So I guess this is what you are asking. Click on courses. So the name is there with the screenshot. This is, I guess this is something what you are asking, if I'm not wrong. Was that is the thing which you were asking? Let me just try here. So suppose let me click on this. Okay, yeah, that's right. We will discuss it offline, Jim. That will be great. Yeah, we'll discuss that offline. Uh, so is there any specific size to store all screenshots? So I would request you that please let me know more about this question. I'm not able to get it. Like what you are asking with the screenshot size. Any more questions? Any feedback, like any feature if you want to see in upcoming version or any update, feel free to let me know. We have already optimized a lot the screenshot size so that you will not face any challenges, any issue, because there was some challenge that after 30 steps it was causing some performance issues. So yeah. How can I record more than 50 steps? You can record more than 50 steps. It will just let you know that 50 steps you have recorded. There is no limit that you cannot. There is no upper cap that you cannot record more than 50 steps. Definitely you can record. Just that like it will be keep adding more and more screenshots. So at the some time, like let's say you have uh, taken thousands of screenshots, so then definitely that will be having some space, some memory. So that way it will cause some memory issue. So what you can do, like whenever you want to record more than let's say you want to record 1,000 steps, so you can record 1,000 steps, and wherever you feel that now you want the screenshot, at that point you can turn on the screenshot toggle. Till before that you can like just turn off the screenshot. So wherever you feel that, like let me show you. So at whichever step you feel that you don't need the screenshot, so there you can turn off this toggle. Like we have turned off this. Now if you will be doing the testing, it will not record the screenshot. And now whenever you feel that, sorry, not this one, this toggle. So whenever you feel that you want the screenshot, that moment you turn on this. Whenever you feel you don't need the screenshot, you can turn off this. Then you can record thousands of steps, and it's up to you like how many steps you want to record. I guess I will have to create more tutorials on this. So yeah. Oh yeah. If can add the timestamp for each step we took. Yes. Yeah. This I will think on that. That like if we can add the timestamp. So generally, like when you will download the test case. So actually, there's a this has been already taken care in other way. Like let me show you. So suppose this is the test case, and we download this test case. So you see that the test case name here, the test case which has been downloaded here, that always used to get downloaded with the timestamp here, the domain name and the timestamp. So this is the timestamp only actually. So at what moment those screenshot has been taken, or like when it has been downloaded. So that will be there, and with the each screenshot when you will be opening, so this will be having the name, and here of course you will be having the time as well. Does that help, Zim? Oh, sorry, my screen was not shared. So what I was showing here is that like when you will be, I'm just repeating, sorry, because my screen was not shared. So what I was saying that when you will download the test case, it will download with the domain name and the timestamp. So this is the timestamp. So when you have downloaded these screenshot in your system, when you have downloaded this test case, so this is the domain name and this is the timestamp. And when you will be unzipping the folder, there will be you will be having the time with each screenshot. Jim, was that the question? Does that help? Or maybe like if that's required, you need more things in this, more data in that. Definitely, we can add that. So feel free to let me know. Also, like you guys have the place where you can raise the issue and raise the bug. So here if you feel that any issue or any improvement you feel free to click here and it will take you to the bug management tool Bagasura, and here you can add your issue that this is the issue you want. So you can see that here people have added, and I used to keep like closing and in progress, you can see that. So feel free to add any issue or any feature improvement you want, that you can add it here. The link is right there in test case studio issue here. Arpita, suggestion or root cause of bug faced while surfing the site, maybe. Uh, I didn't get you. Like, what's your question? I didn't get this through. Could you please explain whether you are suggesting something or asking something? It's not really clear to me. Suggestion or root cause of bug faced while surfing the site, maybe. Uh, sure, Jim. I will add that. I just need like a little bit, maybe more details for this or example. So I would request you that please raise a ticket on the Bagasura. Showed you that just click on that issue in test case studio window and add this in more details. Like this is the thing with an example or a screenshot, something sort that sort. So exact same thing you will get it. Like because I don't want to miss anything that what you want and then what I deliver it to you. So whatever you will need, that you will get it. Just let me know that this is what you need. And Arpita, if you can repeat your question, like I don't know, I didn't understand what you are asking. Okay, any more questions, guys? Great. So are we good to go now? Great. So I guess we are good now. So thank you so much everyone for joining. It was great session. And yes, there is one more question for Edge browser. Yes, it is available for Edge browser. TestCase Studio, Selector Sub, both are available for all the browsers. So you just check out, you will get the download link from the website. Yeah, can I have a PPT for demo in my organization? Sure. I would request you please write an email or connect with me on Selector Sub Slack channel. So definitely I will share the PPT, selectorsub@gmail.com. I am sharing my email ID, so you can write it to me for like whatever help you need, PPT or any video tutorial or anything you guys require. Feel free to connect with me on this. I would be more than happy to help you. Can we handle dynamic tables through selector sub. Yes, Mohit, we can do that. There are lots of tutorial I have created, so please check out them on the channel. So yes, you would be able to do that. uh, Aya is asking, will we have the option to open the document from TestCase Studio on Google Sheet? So yes, I will add this feature in upcoming releases. Very soon I will try to add this feature to, so that like you guys will be able to open the test case in Google Sheet from whatever test case you will be installing it from Selector Sub. So yes, I will try to add that feature. Definitely, yeah. It's in my task list. I will also request you that guys, because it will be hard for me to remember each and every feature request. So it will be great help from you guys that whatever you need, that you people add that here in test case studio. Like here you see that issue is there, so raise a ticket here, please. It will be really helpful for me to keep a track of like what person need what kind of feature or whatever you require. So please add that issue here, so that I will add that in the upcoming releases. So please add that with the little details that what exactly you required and how you are doing the testing. So that feature I will add same what you want. Arpita, it was a suggestion like we can add the comment for the bug like that box was disabled to enter the username. Thank you, Arpita. Sure. Yeah, we will add this. This will help. Let me show you something for this one. So we have this feature in selector sub. So here, suppose we were on uh, this page, let's say on practice page. So we have this feature on selector sub. I will add definitely. I take your feedback and thank you so much for this great input. So you see, like if you whenever you will open any like website or page where you have something like first name, enter first name or something like that. So and if the input box will be disabled, so there you would be able to, like in selector sub, it will show you. Sorry, let me open this page here. One second, guys. So basically, like if you will open selector sub, that's where you will be able to see that this that it will show you that first name, this input box is disabled or what. So that selector sub will show you. So these fields were the disabled input. So it will tell you like this alert input box is disabled, enable it to enter value. So this is something like which we need to add that. So that's a great suggestion from you. Thank you and appreciate it. I will add that. Great. Any more feedback or suggestion question? Great. So I guess that's pretty much. I'm just holding for another minute. Just a quick update. Let me give you guys that if you guys feel sometime that Selector Sub is not visible or not loading in the dev tools, so let me tell you guys that there's a bug in the Chrome 99 version, and it has been already reported to Chrome team, that tabs are not loading in developer tool sometime, and you might not be able to find. Sometimes you don't find the selector sub tab in the DevTools. So this is for all the plugins out there. This problem is causing because of this Chrome update 99. So do not get panic that it's not loading, it's not working. It will be happening very rarely. I'm just telling you guys for this update. And in fact, the plugins like React and lot more plugins which has millions of users, so whole world is getting affected by this issue. People are reporting this issue here on Chrome. So just to get you let you guys know that that this issue has been already raised to the Chrome team, and they are working on it, and soon it will be fixed. So you might face sometime this issue that you don't find selectors up in the dev tool. So do not worry, just refresh the page and you would be able to see it. The issue has been already reported by so many developers out there in the world, and they have taken it and accepted. So it is going to be fixed very soon by the Chrome team. So this is just to let you guys know. You might not even get to know about this issue, but yeah, as you guys are here, so I thought to let you know, guys. Okay, so looks like no more question. So with that, thank you so much everyone for joining. And if you guys have any question, any suggestion, feel free to connect with me over the Slack, Telegram, and you can also follow me on Slack, LinkedIn, Twitter. Any question, do not hesitate. And if you need PPT or anything, feel free to write it to me over email, and I will share it with you. And if you guys want me to give the demo or something like that in your company, feel free to connect with me. And with that, thank you so much, guys, for joining. Keep sharing, keep learning, and feel free to write about selectors of TestCase Studio over different mediums so that people get to know about it. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining. Have a great day. Bye bye.